Upgrade your garage with ease and security using the latest technology. The best garage door openers combine powerful motors, smart features, and quiet operation to deliver reliable performance and convenience for everyday use. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Genie 6072H Garage Door Opener. The Genie 6072H Garage Door Opener is a unique and innovative wall-mounted solution that is perfect for anyone who values ceiling space or simply wants a clean and uncluttered garage look. Unlike traditional openers that hang from the ceiling, the 6072H mounts directly to the wall next to the torsion spring, eliminating the need for overhead rails or a bulky motor unit. This design is especially ideal for garages with storage racks or those who want to repurpose ceiling space. Its compact footprint, just 6.8 inches wide by 14.5 inches tall, makes it the smallest wall-mounted unit currently available. Despite the compact size, the 6072H delivers exceptional lifting power, handling residential garage doors up to 850 pounds and 14 feet in height, including standard, high lift, and vertical lift configurations. One of the standout features of this opener is Genie's Safe T-Pulse system, a patent-pending innovation that electronically monitors cable tension during initial door movement. This provides an additional layer of safety and helps ensure smooth, reliable performance. The system also comes with an excellent bundle of accessories, including a wireless wall console, IntelliCode remote, remote door lock, and a bright, wireless LED light. Together, they form a comprehensive smart access system that enhances both convenience and security. Installation is straightforward, requiring just 2.5 inches of space above and 7 inches to the side of the spring tube. The only catch is that a power outlet must be within 6 feet of the unit. Once installed, it operates quietly and efficiently, making it ideal for attached garages or spaces where noise is a concern. In terms of reliability, design, and modern safety features, the Genie 6072H stands out as a premium wall-mounted opener that offers a lot of value for homeowners wanting a blend of function and form. It's a smart investment for those looking for top-tier technology and a space-saving design. Number 2. Chamberlain B6713T Garage Door Opener. The Chamberlain B6713T Garage Door Opener brings together high-performance, advanced smart features, and practical conveniences, making it a top-tier option for modern households. This model comes with built-in MyQ smartphone control, allowing you to monitor, open, or close your garage from virtually anywhere. With just a few taps on the app, you can check whether your garage is secure, get alerts when the door opens or closes, and even schedule access times for family or delivery services. This added control brings peace of mind, especially when you're away from home for extended periods. What really elevates the B6713T is its 2,000 lumen corner-to-corner LED lighting system. This integrated light setup illuminates your entire garage with motion-activated brightness, removing the need for standalone garage lights. It's especially useful for late-night arrivals or for working in the garage without shadows. Additionally, the quiet DC motor operates with soft start and stop features, ensuring smooth performance that doesn't disrupt adjacent living spaces, an important benefit for attached garages. The B6713T also includes a built-in battery backup, meaning you can still access your garage even during power outages. Its enhanced Wi-Fi and next-generation memory support make seamless integration with smart home ecosystems, and make future firmware upgrades easier. The system supports multiple remotes and accessories, adding flexibility to suit different household needs. While this opener uses a belt drive for quiet and efficient performance, its real strength lies in combining convenience, security, and cutting-edge technology. Number 3. Chamberlain C2212-T Garage Door Opener. The Chamberlain C2212-T Garage Door Opener offers a strong balance of affordability, performance, and smart technology. It's a particularly solid choice for homeowners looking for a dependable opener without all the bells and whistles of premium models, yet still wanting smart control and reliability. The unit features a rugged and long-lasting chain drive, which may be noisier than a belt drive, but makes up for it with its durability and strength, especially in detached garages or workshops where noise isn't a primary concern.
The built-in MyQ app compatibility allows you to monitor, control, and secure your garage from anywhere using your smartphone. Setup is made even easier with integrated Bluetooth, which reduces the time and complexity of connecting your devices. You can also receive real-time alerts, share access with guests or family members, and even integrate it with Amazon Key for in-garage deliveries if supported in your area. A major advantage of the C2212T is its built-in battery backup. During power outages, the opener still works, ensuring your car isn't trapped in the garage when you need it most. The unit also features enhanced memory and connectivity to accommodate future updates and integrations with other smart home devices.
Number 4. Adams ATR Garage Door Opener. The Adams ATR Garage Door Opener by Skylink is an excellent value-driven model that doesn't skimp on performance. It's equipped with a quiet DC motor that significantly reduces noise and vibration during operation, making it ideal for garages attached to living areas. The smooth start and stop feature not only enhances quiet performance, but also protects mechanical parts from wear over time. Combined with its rugged chain drive system, the Adams ATR strikes a solid balance between quiet operation and durable performance. One of the highlights of the ATR is its integrated 12W LED light, providing long-lasting, energy-efficient lighting for your garage. Unlike traditional openers that require periodic bulb replacements, this built-in light will last for years, making maintenance virtually hassle-free. The system includes essential safety features and supports Skylink's remote controls and wireless accessories, offering flexibility in access and control. Although it doesn't include a battery backup out of the box, the unit is compatible with the BA100 backup battery, sold separately, which ensures operation during power outages. This makes it a versatile choice for those who want a budget-friendly system with upgrade potential. The included 7-foot rail is perfect for standard doors, and extension kits are available for taller doors up to 10 feet, offering adaptability for different garage types.
Number 5. TOPENS PW302 Garage Door Opener. The TOPENS PW302 Garage Door Opener isn't your typical garage ceiling opener. It's a robust dual-swing gate opener system designed for residential and light commercial gates. Built with 2 strong 24 VDC motors, it supports gates up to 300 pounds or 12 feet per leaf, offering powerful and smooth operation. Its ultra-quiet performance and weather-resistant construction make it suitable for outdoor use in all seasons, and its reliability is backed by over 25 years of TOPENS gate automation expertise. This opener is a great fit for properties with steel, wood, vinyl, or chain-link dual-swing gates. Whether you're installing it on a courtyard entrance, farm gate, or driveway, it's engineered for versatility. You can configure the system for either push-to-open or pull-to-open orientations, adding flexibility to match your gate layout. The DIY-friendly installation process requires only common tools and a few hours to complete, and the included manual is comprehensive and user-friendly. Like the video and hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.